Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Forms and creating a new form, pick blank or a template. Name the form and add a clear description so respondents know purpose. Next, add your first question right away. Choose type, short answer, multiple choice, write the prompt, and mark required if needed. Once done, use the gear icon to toggle collecting email addresses or restricting responses. Make sure to set where responses will be stored for easy access later. Continue by structuring the form. Add sections to split topics and use go to section based on answer for branching logic. For each item, pick the right question type, multiple choice for single answers, checkboxes for multiple selections, and linear scale for ratings. Then add answer validation to enforce format. Modify theme colors, fonts, and insert images or videos if visual context helps. After that, test navigation and response flow by previewing the form. Make sure transitions and required fields behave as expected. Finish by saving and connecting responses to a Google Sheet. Go to Responses and click the green spreadsheet icon to create or select a sheet. Then share the form, copy link, send via email or embed on a page, and set permissions for respondents or collaborators. Once sent, monitor incoming responses in real time and check the sheet for analysis. If something breaks, try clearing your browser cache, confirm spreadsheet sharing permissions, and double-check form settings. This solves most submission and access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.